Today we are going to do the video how to make
rice noodles.
white rice noodle. If you like pad see ew, drunken noodles, radna or other dishes that use white rice noodle, or we call sen yai in Thailand, then you may be frustrated that you trying to find them locally. You can't really buy them online either, although you can substitute with dry flat rice noodle, but the taste and consistency is a lot different. Making sen yai at home doesn't take long to make a few portions. So if you can't find them, let's make them. That's our philosophy. They taste better anyway. Let's do it. Let's Katie tell you all the ingredients today.
Rice flour, tapioca flour, warm water, salt,
Good.
oil, more oil.
Let's go make them.
Let's go make them.
Right. Mommy put rice flour first. And then tapioca. And then salt. And then mix all the flour and salt together first. Mommy will add some water, warm water in there, right? Okay, Katie, stir it up. Mix them well. Then, Mommy will add vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil.
A vegetable oil.
Oh.
Okay, mix. Faster. Faster. We will leave it for about 60 minutes or an hour. We will occasionally give a stir. So before we steam the noodles, we need to brush oil on the tray first. And Katie will do it for Mommy, right?
Tray.
Okay, Katie, good job. And you will brush on the chopping board for Mommy too, because I'm gonna put noodles on the chopping board too. Before we pour the mixed noodle on the tray, you have to give a stir because the flour stay in the bottom.
Nice down.
So pour the mixed flour on the tray. Like that. Then we'll level the tray later after 1 minute. So you can't get the noodles level in the first time when you pour the flour in. Be careful, the pot is very hot. Set the timer for 5 minutes. I will level the tray. Level like you cook the pancake. Then add a bit more. I steam it for about 4 to 5 minutes. The long you steam, the tougher noodle you will get. It's like a rubbery. So while we're waiting, I'll get ready for the next tray, next one. This is the chopping board. Katie brushed all the oil from me because we will put cooked noodle on the chopping board to avoid the noodles stuck to each other. Make sure you stir the mixed flour up. We leave it cool down before we take the noodles out from the tray. So at the minute, I try to keep the noodles thickness even. So this one, we use the spatula, the plastic spatula like this, put in the oil, and then take it out. Use your finger to help, and then put it on the So, if the noodles not cool yet, don't stack to each other yet. And then we will separate the noodle out. Very lovely and better than shop bought. Homemade one, shop bought one. You can see the consistency, the texture of the noodles. Smell nice and taste nice too.
Wow.
Yes.